Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
This magnetic power bank provides up to 15W magnetic wireless charging for compatible phones. It works best with phones that support MagSafe or equivalent magnetic alignment. The pack also includes a 10,000 mAh battery and a USB-C PD20W pass-through port for wired charging. Magnetic alignment helps maintain stable contact and reduce energy loss during charging. Built-in safety features monitor temperature, current, and short circuits to protect devices. LEDs show battery level in 25% increments for quick status checks. Carry weight is light and fits in most bags easily. Start by aligning the power bank with your phone's magnetic ring and feel it snap into place. Confirm the phone displays 15W or the wireless charging icon before leaving the bank attached. For phones that lack magnets, use the included magnetic adapter to achieve proper coupling. Leave a 1mm clearance from metal cases or remove metal plates to ensure proper coupling and safety. If you expect impact, secure the power bank with a thin adhesive strap rated for electronics. Always test alignment on a flat surface before moving around with the attached pack. To recharge the power bank, use a USB-C 20W charger to refill the 10,000 mAh battery in about 2.5 hours. You can use pass-through charging to power your phone and the bank simultaneously when using USB-C PD20W or higher. Note that pass-through may reduce overall efficiency and increase charging temperatures slightly. Keep magnets and contact pads clean and dry. Wipe them with a dry microfiber cloth weekly to maintain efficiency. Avoid extreme temperatures above 45 degrees Celsius and store between 10 and 30 degrees Celsius when not in use. If the pack becomes warm, disconnect both devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.